Hi students, now coming to the next program. So the second program is program to convert temperature from degree centigrade to Fahrenheit centigrade. So now let us see how to write the code for this program. Just open the Turbo C++ editor, start the Turbo C++. So start writing the C program in this editor. So let us take the new file, #include stdio.h #include conio.h. Okay, now start writing the main program. So what I said, what is our program? Here we have to convert the temperature from degree centigrade to Fahrenheit centigrade. So if you want to convert the degree centigrade to Fahrenheit centigrade, first you have to think about what are the inputs I have to be take and what are the variables that you are going to be declared, whether it's a data type integer or float, that you have to think. So here I have taken two variables of data type float C, F. C is related to centigrade and F is related to Fahrenheit. So that values that I have taken from the keyboard, and now I need to convert whatever the temperature that I am taking, that is a centigrade, that convert into Fahrenheit. Okay, so float CF and then SCR. Now try to write printf. So in the printf you need to write enter temperature in centigrade. Enter temperature in centigrade. So first you are entering the centigrade value. So what that message will be print on the screen. Then you have to write scanf because you have to read the value from keyboard. So that value should be stored on the memory. So scanf percentile F ampersand C. So the value from the keyboard. So whatever the value that you are entered, that is centigrade temperature. So that centigrade temperature has to be converted into Fahrenheit. The formula for converting the centigrade to Fahrenheit is F is equal to 1.8 into C plus 32. This is the standard formula. So if you know that logic, then you can directly write that equation. F is equal to 1.8 into C plus 32. So whatever the C value that you entered, that C value has replaced there, and it calculate the value. The result is the Fahrenheit temperature. Means the centigrade is converted into Fahrenheit now. So then you have to print that value. Temperature in Fahrenheit. So just write the printf temperature is in Fahrenheit. So that F value has to be print and get ch. So this is how to write the program. So after writing the program, just close the main program and try to compile the program. So after compiling, you need to check the compilation is there are no errors. So try to run the program. For running, you need to press either Alt Control F9 or directly go to the run. So there are no errors. Now enter temperature in centigrade. I enter the temperature in centigrade, that is a 32. So that 32 value is converted into Fahrenheit. That is the temperature in Fahrenheit is 89.599. So that is Fahrenheit temperature. Means it's just substitute the value 32 value in the place of C. So it multiplies 1.8 into 32, and whatever the result you get, that will be added to 32. You will get the float value, that is a 89.22, because it is multiplied with 1.8. So obviously you will get the float value. So that's why starting only I declared the centigrade C and F variables as a float values. So this is how you have to convert the Fahrenheit to the, and then centigrade to Fahrenheit. If you want to convert from Fahrenheit to centigrade, just formula should be reversed, means the C should be bring side and F should be this side, and you can print the value C here. So it's everything is based on the logic and the formula. So just substitute, declare the formula there and print that value and give the inputs to that. Thank you.